they suffer, I don't feel they talk. Oh. You hear me? When I understand all those things, now we know it to the Adam again. I say many people they suffer for Europe. I not lie. So who they suffer? If people come in live video, fear not let them drop anybody. Oh. So fear not they let who they suffer shout for person. Oh. You go say, I don't know whether I go help me. I don't know whether I go. Bros, I know they not beside they suffer. Support me. If you not support me, other person go support me on social media. So don't feel say if you not support me, other person don't go support me. Okay? As my video fly meet you. You go physically fly meet another person, not be only my video fly meet, okay? So come on down your thickness where you think say if I not support another person, don't support another person will support me. So you not be my God, okay? You understand? For me to come beg you for WhatsApp, I could come beg online. You understand? Because if I beg you for WhatsApp, say send me money now, I need money support, I beg. You feel not doing tomorrow now. I don't know say if me and if you get some issue, you go post on. They say no because they beg me money for like for WhatsApp, so this one. People say not true, this guy they beg money for. Okay. But if I do online, may you go post on and say easy for you they beg money for online. They'll say no normal thing now. I miss Sienna. That one say I see Anna. The other one say I see Anna. You say that's not normal thing. You know, it will be like new thing to them again. But if I they do it hard, the day when you go post, anybody go surprise. You see that kind of thing. So. Like now your nakedness, people person want post now. Tell her say you want post my nakedness. May you fair post now. Say I'm gonna see my nakedness and this one they want post. So come not shame, you not come anything for your body. Post now by yourself. So that if you can't post, I know it can't be like new thing. So I need to know all those things. I need to learn something. I need to learn something. Any man where hold your nakedness, if they tell you say, I want post now or you send me money. If you send that money. If you send that money today, you go say, okay, I'm not going to post time again. The day when you're hungry, you go see what? The day when you're hungry, you go see beat and well. You go see call you again, say you need another money. The day when you not going to give one, you go come post time. So, you not post time today, not me say you not going to post time tomorrow. Go ahead. You not post your nakedness today, not me say you not going to post time tomorrow. You understand? So, anybody tell you say you want to post your nakedness, not send that money, tell them you post time. Okay? So I dey give you updates now. Updates. Man, they mumu na self again. Any man we want post your nakedness or any woman want post your nakedness, you come mumu go send that money. Tomorrow when you not see money send give them again, you go come post that. You understand? So who they send requests? So man, I no reason all those my fans, people will love me, people will be my own. I know they crazy, so understand. I know the quiz, I didn't know my they see many comments, when are they comment, I know they reply. Because I don't want my way me door, I damn me door. It's so no come me for no reason opportunity in Yahweh video, ni as I get do it test on roll your man. You get what get. Ya what they say what fi understand? So yeah man, understand. Cannot well make no my way me. December 24, we show me. I understand. So I see the lesson. Everything what they do not be really mean now. And I just they play with people, but people I don't know why they can't take us serious. Understand? I say you they suffer, I don't mention your name. So you go can't take us serious. I say you they suffer. Understand? It's how they play. I they try to put small message so that kind of thing. You understand? So even me, we are not women now because we are the craze. Now what I think say na me the craze. I know the craze. Okay? Based on you the craze. In this. For your brain, and you can't say na me the craze. You don't know say you don't the craze, and you they suffer. You go think say na me they suffer. I know they suffer. Okay? I put account here, no me say I they suffer. Okay? If you want support me, support me. If you don't want support me, rest. Not be beg, I they beg. I know they suffer. Command that your thing for your brain. Say, hey, boy, now I suffer. Oh, I me go online. Because I know say some of una mumu. Oh, we got now. Hey, you are buying Nigeria? Oh, you are begging online. Oh, you are suffer. You are begging. You beg, you know, beside the suffer. Okay? Support me now I talk. If you not support me, another person will support me. Okay? If you might be not support me, Oluwa will support me. Understand? Thanks so much for the gift. Big mommy, thanks so much. And big mommy, I will call you. Understand? Thanks so much. So December 24, we there outside. Understand? If you want buy table now, check the poster. Buy and done. Buy and done. Mean you enjoy yourself for my show. Understand? Enjoy yourself. I dey do am for another man land. I need to do am for my papa land. Understand? So I quit drop and I got many artists they come. Now confirm I want to do for all of them. Many artists they come. At that place, that day. Not me, not be like how they make match, you understand? The one I never enjoy music for this Benin before. The one I never enjoy show for Benin here before. And so I want to enjoy on that day, December 24. Understand? When I come see the real easy boy. The real easy boy, not the one where we say they do all those things. We say we see they suffer for Europe. We see they manage, they do thing for show. Now, we want to really do something. We want to do something for Benin here. Understand? We want to do something. Waiting for our blood. They may not run a second. You have to hear that in December 24. So you they suffer. You they suffer. And if you don't say you they suffer, not come my show. You understand me? If you don't say you they suffer, not come my show. Me not come thief my money. Understand? So when I see the poster, if you want bad table, and I say, which song you want sing? See my music. I say, see the poster here. So get my yam here, we need Jesus. But we say yo, see the poster here. I get good artists, see them. All of them full my poster, see all of them here. So many ones see they like confirm them they understand. So if you not say they come Nigeria, buy the table down and see table here, not there. I just put a normal normal. Understand? You pray. Maybe say my people wanna quit bad table. Wanna try quit bad table so that no ware table or that man e ma be na do de table ake do de table masi won kwa na do ari mudia o ba lo me gbe you understand. He said that off una he say una dey suffer. Okay, no, you know what you know what since this una dey suffer I go use that surprise una for something. No worry. So hey yam he said then they suffer. Godfather I been a so Mona day with me December 24. Mona buy table now. Mona if you dey suffer, not come my show, I go wound you. I dey dangerous so may not come thief my money. If you don't say you dey suffer, not come my show, I go enjoy you. Get the way I take, I not dey normal. They hear me a picture when me rush you. Stand for this side, we not dey suffer. Now you dey suffer for that side. Now why you dey say we dey suffer? If you dey suffer, not come my show, I dey dangerous. So not come there. You understand? No, that day now you know say I dey suck normal blood raw. See, Godfather, 24. See the poster and I don't drop her. Don't let me the poster, my people. So I don't scatter. I don't destroy Europe. I don't scatter Europe. I don't do show for Europe. I don't destroy Europe. See, my people poster I think they go talk for Europe. Now be this not be say church or church. I don't destroy Europe. See the country where I don't for play song. People know me for Europe. Not be anybody who say not know me for Europe, they lie. They pretend. Okay? As I say, don't they speak Benin. Even some people don't they speak Benin even know me. You understand? So for Nigeria, I did many people don't know me. Then when they play my music, they pass me, they don't know me. You understand? So they suppose know me for Benin past Europe. Not be Europe. You get why? Now my papa land, they suppose know me past another man land. So you don't know me, then what you can't know my live video. You know what I'm saying? You dey suffer. You know what I'm saying? You dey suffer. Life go. You continue to suffer until you craze. Yeah, see the account, see the show, see the poster. So I don't know whether now you see like that. You see her? You see her? So so Mona, anything if you get anything, if you support me, I go appreciate. Understand? But if you not there, not stress yourself. Understand? If you not there, not stress yourself. So Godfather, we table we are wire my brother. So table river, me river. Anytime my TikTok, you see this thing for there. Understand? So may I quick go on jam, I plug my phone before I'll go ask.
I will do the how much of table?
No, your check and you understand. I don't really put up for brain like that, bro. So
my check and with my checkers.
It did there. Your check and enter my profile there. You'll see for there. So I support my family. This one na my first show for Nigeria. You understand? So they suppose know me for Nigeria past Europe. You understand, family? Sure they get me. Europe you never need Europe do kini na MS ewera me kini na MS ewere. You understand? He say, so thanks so much for the love. God bless you. So at the post account, no me say I dey suffer. Understand? So now because now they suffer. Now one of the things on that person they suffer.
I don't say I table for you table for this thing.
Yeah.
That table for 4, so I'll ask my guys whether they'll come, but if they're not coming, that table for 2 I'll go for.
No wahala, family. I go appreciate. I believe you. I appreciate family. I appreciate. God go bless you, my brother. We sick akabo. So I wear you to me because I know say. Imagine if from one no go me na. Now we do me where you do date bufo. My people not come date. No more you know here, my brother. Not understand. So I beg, come and see help me repost the show. That post I understand.
People make the suffer, make they come, make they know what we'll buy the drink, free drink, babe.
No, who they suffer me not come there, me not go thief my money. Oh. Who they suffer, they dangerous. So they can do. Other people not they normal. If you not say they suffer, not come and show. If you see you pass the gates, you they go, not look back. You understand? So Wahala wo una come you see you go come then they suffer. Other people they suffer well, you know okay I swear. So normally man I don't take a person and I cruise with day normal level, you see they play all those things, so I know family. So if you guys support me, now me get this account number, not too small. I go come at the suffer. I say this one saying the suffer. If you dey suffer, no enter there. I dey warn you so. This one a straight warning, not be church. I be now. Where you back? This boy? Though? My phone one okay. I go on Gmail, I plug my phone.
How far? Welcome. How your side?
Mother, you know, like what you welcome. I will go. I will go. I can one way. I go pon wa di o wa. We welcome. Why not a moment on like mokele? Who you want to pack money? You want to the money? Oh, you work here. If you dey suffer, this one I know dey joke. If you dey, that's why you know what I mean. Okay, can't know what you want to pay by. Yeah, if you dey suffer, not come and show. You don't really know those things. Oh, see love. Thanks so much. Big push. God bless you. Wesi Kakabo. I love you so much. Wesi, God bless you. So, Allah will family. But the boy of Meyeke, see account number, support me with anything. Understand? This poster now, I still go put out for Ted. Understand? Now see money. I will still go put out for Ring Road. Now money. I will still put out for Upper here. Put out for many places for Benin here. Understand? So you have a ticket many places, man. You go away like here. So that's much way that he says that thing we want to support. So way that he say too small. It's not small. That if you do want this thing for me. You understand? Many posters I want to do for this place now. Even the whole I for still do the show. I'll still go pull out to this thing for there. You understand? That money. But if you support me with anything, I go appreciate. But if you not there, don't worry yourself. You understand? Because some of them they say na beg. You understand? Not be say na beg. Na support. I say support. You understand? So allow. No we me yo po wa we me. Yo ba me mi na kin won me. You get it, man? Easy boy, help us with the suffer. Now me want help you. Me we want do show. Now me want help you. If you dey suffer, go call your family. May they help you. Now me want help you. Now me rescue you for see. You don't know people will rescue you. So family. So Mona help me repost the poster beg. See, I'm gonna help me repost am. Mona help me repost am. Mona try. Mona help me repost am. Hope come me see am. Our mama. So many of una know the song. So people, the song don already blow for Benin here. I dey hear the song for many places. They not really know me. So the DJ wey I see carry for here now, we go see help me dey play the song follow this Benin. You understand? So I go see the, let me say, I'll carry pick up now those things. They go arrange speaker put the head. They go put my picture, put all those things. Thanks so much for the cap. I really appreciate it, and God will bless you. I appreciate. They will put my picture for the pick up, all those things. So they will play my song. Maybe from here go there, go start play to go all this place, so that people they know me. So all those things, no saying I see money, but the send request. When not say weko, me dey gbe mu wa do kun me nu ya ka o. O e weko. Why was so far marry man was sending request. I did like doing wanko. Where you wanko? Eh? Hello? Hello? He on our way so far. We went to real. If you dey suffer, don't they send request come my live video again. I don't want to follow people with the suffer they talk. Send me account details. Okay, now my account number be this. Support me with anything. Oh, mommy, daddy, sister, uncle, everyone supports me. I go appreciate. See my account number. You understand? See my account number. Lao. If you don't know zomo, asore do edo odion, edo asoro ma, edo yodion. You understand? Ojana ariyowe. Where we do a day. Yak bojana ojana yoweni. So I don't send you 1 billion. You will they suffer. You will like the fight. You will not forget your family ass. When you make it okay. Which color you take paint your papa ass? You should remember. So if you do no more. If you don't say you dey Europe, you love me. Go buy ticket na December. Oh. And if you not quick buy ticket, you start for there, you dey suffer. I no go send you. If you dey suffer and I notice say you dey suffer, I tell them they pursue you come out. You know, can't see all those drink what we had. Oh yeah, do the manure, you understand? So allow imani them and the suffer allow. Get for Europe. Hello.
Easy boy, over here, man. What are you doing in the bush, bro?
There you go. You have a good combo suffer, but now you are move. But you can't go where go. Now here they sleep. Now here they stay now. Understand? I stay for here now. Understand? They live for forest. Understand? Wanna support me? See my account number. Before my show now, I go Baba Abolo. I'll go Baba Abolo. I greet you. Everywhere I go. Oh, mother, my channel money and that song, oh God. Anywhere I they follow for this area, the other area, channel money. EJ, that one man for that community, easy boy, channel. They bar, then they play. I say, are you do like this? Me don't make me rich like this. So people know my song like this. Are you the look? If I talk to them for that, I say, "Let me sing this song." You know what they'll talk? Oh, wait, can I come out for yeah? Now you sing this kind of song. You shall be the you the musician because Imam Motore oh where yari pan wegba oh well oh you now you get this song. You not go believe me. Understand? So with God, I mean when you just know get certain woman understand. Why worry? Wani boom no feel where knock by. Ti o sa lo boa. Ti o sa lo boa. Ti Jesus no be. Cause anything what they do for my life, I dey put God for first. Cause you not get everything God no dey fit dey do. If you might be See, I prefer make God love me, make human being hate me. Yes. You understand me? Make God love me, make human being hate me. If human being hates me, God know what he go do for me when human being go take love me. You understand? Sure you understand? So anything wey you dey do for this life, dey put God first. Try dey put God first. Yo, I don't understand all those things. Dey put God first oh. Human being will follow you play today. Baba, if you rugged, dem go run leave you oh. But if you put God, God can never lose guard you. God no go fit leave you. When dem go think say hope don finish, God go remember you. Understand? As I dey here now, many people think say dem dey feel say you don deport yourself go house, you no fit enter Europe again, no fit do this one. You go still shock you one day. I post am say I get tour for Europe, I get for Canada. You're surprised. Understand? So no be you be my God. Not be you be my God. God not be your papa. Understand? Sorry, God not come for your family. Understand? Not the feel say you hate me, so me say God not hate me. You hate me, not be God hates me. Understand? You not show me love, not me say God not go show me love. Okay? I tell you, say I know they suffer. Who they suffer? The open store. Maybe some will say, "Hi, you go na ne maya help online. Oh yeah, kiss I will no wahala ikoyo." Understand? Ikoyo. Maybe when we have we will not pa. Anything what you talk, no wahala ikoyo. Understand? I wish you bros. Domo. So guys, I want the live video people they come and stop. So support me with anything where you get. Understand? See my account number. So if I reach us later, I'll do live video. Understand? See my account number. Anything, nothing too small, nothing too big. So if you not do, you see the laugh, not be forced. Understand? I not say no easy. I greet you.
I greet you. You now so call you. They call you online.
Yes, I greet you. How?
Every time when I dey school, I must see you. They shout, they quarrel, they curse Euro people. Wetin
I
dem
not
do
curse
you?
Euro people. I not curse Euro people. I know they curse Euro people. What
I dey
did
see
they do
you.
me? Now Euro people deport me.
They
Now they tell me I deport myself.
Marseille,
Now they rescue
Italy,
me.
France.
Baba, time not really dey like this shower, but my phone went off. You understand? I want to go on.
I don give you small thing, but I want me to talk first.
Because no say my time not really. They may not be say your teacher don't want to talk to you. See, and they come. I want to put
No,
on.
no worry, no worry. I will see enter your life again.
Before they it did 10%. You understand? But peace dey. Understand? If you do, you do. I go appreciate. If you not see there, not stress yourself. Understand?
No. Everywhere good. Before I enter now, wetin I really want to tell you.
Peace dey, bros. I greet you. Thanks so much. I really appreciate. Okay, Baba.
Alpha Fulani Esme dey your back, oh guy. You no look back.
For where me will be weary. Now me dey
Alpha, yourself, bros.
Me where they disappear. You don't know how they disappear.
How yourself a long time.
How they disappear. My side dey fine, bro. I greet you.
I greet you. Good evening. I do now. I beg. I don't get the. Which I be the this
I
thing.
greet you, bro. What if that, bros?
The show, the poster. I come late. I no quick am. So anyhow now, if you come like
no,
time in the
TikTok.
evening.
Yeah.
Okay.
Enter my TikTok. You'll see. Enter my TikTok. You'll see. And I be this one. So
Okay, no
December
worry.
24. Understand? Beg. When I deal with me,
Okay,
Baba, beg.
okay, no shaking, bro. By God's
Okay,
grace, no
bros.
shaking. Come
Amen, Baba. What up, bros? Domo, sir. So anything I dey do for my TikTok here, not take a personal. Na cruise now I do. Na cruise I do. I dey follow people. They play. Oh, instead no say when I dey Europe. Now suffer I dey suffer for Europe. Now he had all my character. Many things full my blood. He had because I dey suffer for Europe. He had before. So as I reach Nigeria, when I don't dey suffer again, I don't dey eat better food. I don't feel the sharp now. So I need to dey bring everything come out. I don't need to dey add them again. Because, you understand? So now why you dey think say? You say I mean I can't wait now. It dey my body. I felt they had now. Understand? Because I dey suffer. I don't want shout me. I don't go die. Understand? Because I don't dey eat better food. Understand? So not go dey think am. If I do video, not go reason say I dey talk to you. Now just normal thing. I think I camera face myself. Now anything will come my head, I will talk. So you go come the teacher now you are the talk to. I know they talk to you. You understand? Fair before you go reason I say now you are the talk to. Fair reason ask yourself that me and you don't get problem before. You know, maybe you don't know me, I don't know you. Me and you never fight before. We not get issue, and God not go let us get issue. So man, I know the reason. Understand now the reason I say I don't insult anybody. Now cruise a day. Now based on now new like you never see that kind of thing where you never see me with that kind of thing before. Now why you feel say men now you have like now new thing to you. You never see that kind of thing for social media before. Now why you feel say they insult you? Oh, this for one. If you're the 5% now I go end this time. So guys, if you know anything where you do, if you feel support, I go appreciate. If you not see day, you see relax, you understand? So I beg one of the things saying I suffer, person they suffer, say person post account. Not be only me anywhere na first say person post account saying need support. Support now. You know me say that person they suffer. You understand? You don't know what that person want to do. You understand? Many things they will carry me come Nigeria. Very soon outside they do everything. You said where they say, yeah, boy, now worry. You go come even they happy say, thank God say this guy really go out. So this boy know what thing they do. So this boy really get sense like this. You know, now based on never they see some kind of money they do what really carry me come. Now why they feel say I they suffer. So I know they suffer. You understand? So I love you guys. Thank you all for the love. I really appreciate. So who see jam my poster? I'm gonna happy repost time. Repost and tag me. If you don't say you be my enemy, post time. I go comment put. Understand? If me and you the quarrel, post on. If I jam you say you post on, that quarrel don't finish, we go settle. Understand? If you I think say na full and in, they come from my back, I be one run. Understand? If you be my enemy, repost ke. That what think they happen for inside that bush? Some of you they make good. That felt come out. Yeah, to damage my brother. If you are going to go around now, don't kidnap me. Oh, they suffer. Okay, I know they suffer. People they suffer. So my family wanna support me. Understand? Wanna show love. Okay? I love all of you. God will bless you. Anything when I put one for this side, it go better for you. And if you dey suffer, you continue to dey suffer until you increase. Oh, 7%. So it remains small. Hello. Hey man, that was so fast. I get 1 minute.
Yeah.
So man, the live video. Thank you all for the love. But if you verse for me, post the picture. Our quarrel don't finish. Repost that for me. If you the quarrel, repost and tag me. If I not comment, you know say I be bad person. Yes. If you repost that picture for me, say I not comment put, you know say I be bad person. You know say they suffer if I not comment put. So repost now. If you the quarrel, you say we don't settle. Yes. Repost now. We don't say be my enemy. Repost now. Repost now for me.